What's up, guys? It's Wiqed with American Eagle Harley-Davidson, bringing you the new bike of the week. We have a beautiful Reef Blue 2022 Road Glide. It is powered by the M8 107. We do have Rinehart Exhausts on it, a tuner. It has the 12-inch factory 47 bars, beautiful, with the Empire grips. This is a new collection that's out for 2022. Ride on this beautiful Reef Blue Road Glide. Let's go. Come in and take this bad boy out for a test ride, come and see Wiqed at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Boom.